Hello, welcome to Excel Remix. So in this video we will discuss 3 easy ways to rename a sheet in Excel. So let's begin. Double click on the worksheet tab you want to rename to activate the name editing mode. Enter the desired name on the worksheet and press enter. Right click on the tab of the worksheet you want to rename. From the drop down menu, select rename. Now type the new name and press enter. Select the worksheet tab you want to rename. Press Alt H O and R in sequence of activate the name editing mode. Now type your new name and press enter button. So these are 3 easy methods to rename your worksheets in Excel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thanks for watching.